At the very beginning, let's take a look at GstarCad Drafting Workspace. When you open GstarCad platform, here you can change between 2D drafting or classical workspace and choose the preferred theme. Select 2D drafting workspace. The ribbon located in the top of the screen contains several tabs for different sets of tools. Many tools often submenus. Click on the arrow to expand the selection. Click Appearance tool in the top right corner. You can choose whether to show those bars or windows in your workspace. For example, you can open command line at the bottom of the screen, open menu bar at the top of the screen, or you can have some tabs you don't use frequently. You can also open many different types of toolbars and drop them to the desired position. Click the GstarCad logo in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. In the right side, you can see the files you have recently worked on and you can quickly reopen them. In the left side, you can access several options for your drawings. In the middle of the screen is Drawing area, where you can create, edit, and view your drawings. On the bottom of your screen, you will see the command line window. You can input commands and select any available options for an active command. You can also drag the window to other locations. If you want clean screen, just move your side to the bottom right corner. This will remove parts of the user interface and make the drawing space bigger. At the bottom of the screen, there is status bar where you can easily enable and set in some status options. For example, enable the dynamic input, then move your mouse to the drawing area, input the command you need, and press enter. The command will be accessed conveniently. Here in Options window, you can make many other settings about user interface as well.